Alright, so I have my Bushmaster 5.56 here AR that I'm planning on doing hydro dip using MyDipKit, which I'll show you here. I just got it today. So I had already taken my weapon apart, as you can see. And I think I'm just going to dip. Well, I think I'm going to do the upper and lower. And then the accessories, the handheld, the hand guards here, heat shields, and we'll see how that works out. This is my first time ever doing this, so hopefully it turns out okay. High hopes, low expectations. Alright, well, so I got my dip kit today, and it comes in this tube. Not very big. Let's see what we got. Oh, I got the Deadheads brown, because I'm hoping from a distance that it'll kind of look like desert camo, I guess. Excuse me. So we'll see, because I think I got the tan base coat. Yeah, brown Deadheads. Now I'll pop this open and see what's inside for the camera. Should have the activator and everything else in there. Looks like the mask, which is nothing special. You could buy for probably 50 cents at Ace Hardware, but I don't have to go get one. Your pad for scuffing everything up, just like your normal green pad, I guess, or Scott, yeah, Scott pad. Then handy dandy gloves. Activator. Gray etch primer. Gray. Huh. Oh crap, that's what I was afraid of. High gloss. I thought I selected matte, but apparently not. Now I got a decision to make. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I want high gloss on an assault rifle. Then I got my tan base coat. So, bummer. Okay. Well, my first mistake, I guess. Make sure you are ordering what you think you're ordering. Double check before you hit submit. Gosh dang it. Alright, well. I have to think about that. Do I want a high gloss, shiny, Deadheads assault rifle? Alright, so now I'm going to prep. Got to stuff everything up. Don't know how long this is going to take. Shouldn't take too long, I wouldn't think. Nice dull coat. Let the primer and everything adhere to this a little better. Alright, now I'm going to put the gray etching. You see that? Gray etching primer. See if I do this right. Alright, so got my base coat tan. Alright. Wait, I don't want to make waves on there. Let's see what happens. First time for everything, right? And seeing as how this didn't say what side was up, I did the wet finger test, and this is the way it said it was supposed to be, so. Oh shit, that's right. Supposed to get it like this thing. Dude, this is like, it's too humid out here. Yeah. Get that one down there. Yeah. Alright. I'll have to try to get a lot of bubbles out of it. There's a lot of air bubbles in here. So. Close that all that tight.
You're gonna have them crinkles in there if you don't let it expand.
Yeah. You'll see.
Because it'll stretch as you...
You mean these ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not too worried about it. That's why I'm doing a magazine, because I don't care what it looks like. You can get other ones. And it keeps wanting to spin.
Alright, test one.
Yeah.
Should do my case first.
Well, we'll do yours next. We got that right there.
Yeah, but I didn't primer or paint or nothing. Of course, we just put it
Well, I got some primer. I don't know how much to be able to prime. You should be able to prime it. I don't have much left, but no real big air bubbles, but a lot of little wrinkles. But I'm using the end piece that is kind of like the extra part. That's what it said on there anyways. Because I wanted to test this first. And I did not cut the expansions, because I've seen some videos where you want to keep the skulls tight. Don't do that, so I'm going to try that with my magazine. And we'll see what happens. I think I'm gonna,
just activate it.
yeah. So I'm just going to go in and around. I'm hoping that it'll be easy. Alright. See if you can't get a couple mosquitoes in here too. What I'm worried about is this damn thing's spinning on me.
It doesn't really matter what angles you do because it's still supposed to have different layers.
You know, nervous first time. Make sure it's the activator.
Yeah. There, all the wrinkles go away.
Wear your mask. I did not. And here we go. There's gonna be interesting. It's a little tight. Well, I forgot to record it. I'll record the second one, but turned out good. We'll see what happens when we rinse. We haven't been having a good luck with rinsing, so go ahead and hit the top button here. So I just dipped my upper and lower. As you can tell, I'm still learning how to dip. I like it. It's not too bad. So here's everything after I dipped and rinsed. Not dipping, just gonna leave the base coat, and I'll spray a matte on that. Matte everything else. Tape this off because the buttstock will be covering that anyway, so I didn't even care about dipping back that far. Yeah. We'll see after I get that matte gloss on, or matte finish on. Alright, that's it. Didn't put a base coat. I like the transition. Breaks up the color a little bit. Taped off the ring and taped off the barrel. Thought it would look good with just the base coat, but I might end up dipping these again. Putting the skulls on there. You can see where the paint didn't act like I thought it would, but I still like it.